Hi guys, Tony here. 7:30, 4th of March. Before I show you the sky, just watch these things. Aren't they great? Alright, now watch this guys. Have a look at this crapola here. Now get ready. Look at this shit here. Have a look at this. Look at that. I mean, that's a fucking beauty, isn't it? Hang on, I haven't seen a sky like this for a few days. Alright, look at this. Mama looks, will you? Check that one out and check the repetitious thing. You know, look, it's identical, that thing there. To that. Look, there. There's 1, 2, 3. Oh, for fuck's sake. Look at this. Fucking Jesus. Shit, I'm glad I came out. I mean, we had big clouds today, but these are fucking beauties. Oh, I've been watching the Ukraine stuff all day inside. Haven't gone out, but wow. For fuck's sake, guys. I'm back. Fucking hell. Check that. Look at this white thing behind the black thing. I mean, really? Wow. Okay. Look at the smoke coming off the white one. Look, I haven't seen a sky like this for a while. Look at that. Still my telephone, sorry. I wish I had something better, but that looks... well, there you go. It looks like that. It is weird. You know, look at the beams of light going up. Yep. But that thing there, right, it's starting to sort of go smoky, and you know, like look at the tops of it. So is this one, right? The one that replicates. This one here, it's starting to smoke, and look at it. What a fucking sky. Oh, I've forgotten all about it. Sorry guys. But shit. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, smoke down there too. That is magical. If it wasn't so disgusting. Never had one of them. Look at the birds lately. I mean, they're going. Yeah, at least they're going. Look how many. Oh, we just had a few flocks go past, and there's not heaps of them. I don't know what they are. They look like, I think they are ducks. They could be geese. They got long necks. See them? They've got this beak that's sort of, I don't know, it's sort of roundy. I have to get one up close. Anyway, back to this thing. I mean, look at the face in there. Don't worry about it. Getting off this topic with that shit. Wow. It's moments like this you wish you had a better camera. God damn it. It's still magnificent. Come on. More birds. Hell, man. Look at them. More birds. Hey, how many of these are there? Oh, there used to be, you know, a few dozen. There's hundreds. But the sky, I mean, look at it. All sorts of things are happening. But that, I haven't seen something like that for a while. Changing as quickly. Oh, it is, but not as quick. I mean, that bird. Hey, wrong way, dickhead. Yeah, he's probably going to tell the others. Found a good place to go. Yeah. You can see harp at work. I mean, I can because I know what to look for, but wow, aren't they amazing? Normal? I don't think so. Oh guys, I better switch off. Well, no one will look at like 6-7 minutes here. Look at this thing. Look at the face in it. Is that? That's wicked, isn't it? Grouse. Hi guys, sorry I've been running around for a while. Just got a bit disillusioned with the sky and all that, but have a look. The colours in there. It's fucking magic. Well, it's magical here. Oh, fucking real. Alright, Tony T signing out for not long. Later.